today we're back with another video with Autograph Fever. And today we're with Goosebumps Bryn.
Goosebumps Bryn. Today we have a Geek Box Bam Box for the month of September.
Yes.
And the franchises were The Simpsons, Shang-Chi, Legend of the Ten Rings, that's what it's called. Ghostbusters, I believe. And I can't remember the other one. But without further ado. You want to say anything, Bobby? What you want to say? No?
Alright.
Okay, also had a mail day today. Won this on eBay. Terminator 2 autograph authentic card of Earl Bowen, the doctor. He was the only other actor like Arnold Schwarzenegger to be in 1, 2, and 3. So good pickup today. It's our first Terminator card. So we're gonna jump in this bad boy. And like always, Bam Box paper.
Ho ho. Alright, so I'm
hold on. We're gonna
let's see this first. Oh, it's a Green Goblin card. Let me see.
So that's something that Bam Box has started doing. We get a no, it's this a sketch card, and what it is, it's the Green Goblin. There's 3,000 of these, and we got number 931 of the Green Goblin. Look, Green Goblin. All right,
and they come with a
little lottery ticket scratch off.
Yeah.
So we know where one of them are.
You want to do this one?
You want to pick that one up? Pick that one up. We know what the pin is. It's from Ghostbusters, and it's the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. And they are numbered also. Okay. On the back, they had them numbered up. And there's going to be 2 pins. There's going to be a regular pin and a variant. I don't know. The variant is going to be this pin will be out of some 500 or whatever, and then the variant will be out of 100.
Okay.
And then I do not know what this is. It looks like a flag.
Yeah, but it looks like the Simpsons.
You think?
Yeah, it's yellow.
It's got a flag.
Let me see.
Pretty big.
What? Oh,
yeah,
that's
it's
like...
the Simpsons. So, it says, learn to fart. It's a big flag that says, learn to fart.
Can we turn back up?
It's probably from one of the Simpsons episodes when Bart Simpson went to camp. So that's pretty cool. I've never got a flag in one of the boxes yet, so that's pretty cool. So we got Ghostbusters and the Simpsons out of the way. Yep. This is the print, and it's Shang-Chi, the print.
That's a sick.
And that one is out of 500. We got that one, Shang-Chi. You like that one?
Yeah.
And then the autograph is Jim and the holograms. It was a 80s cartoon about a girl singer that would also, I think she would fight crime. And this is the designer. I think it says she was also in Transformers.
Oh, look, October monthly giveaway.
Cool. And that's the Bam Box. So, not too bad of a box. I think the highlight for me is probably the pin, and the highlight for him is the print.
And the Green Goblin.
And the Green Goblin card. We like everything.
That's pretty.
It's pretty. All right, guys. We'll catch y'all later. Come back with y'all with another unboxing or another trailer reaction. Movie trailer reaction. All right, guys. Galaxy's mark. Galaxy's mark.